Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a violet leaf. So to get started, you want to chain 5. And joining us today is going to be my tripod cat, which means that she only has 3 legs. She is missing her front right leg, so she's going to be joining us through this whole video for moral support. She's so adorable. Gotta give her a little bit of love. Alright, so we're going to start off by chaining 5. And in the last chain from the hook, you are going to work all of your stitches in that one chain. So first we're going to do a double crochet, followed by a treble crochet, whoop, and then a double treble crochet. Now if you need help with any of these stitches, you can check down in the description below. I have videos on how to do these types of stitches. Then we are going to chain 3. And here's a step that's really important. You want to make sure that you don't start off into your next stitch, because I'll show you what ends up happening if you end up missing this step. You'll end up with this really big gap. So what you want to do, I'm going to pull back, is you're going to chain 3. And then in the top of that chain, at the bottom of that chain, you are going to work a slip stitch. And that'll give the violet leaf its nice pointy edge. So next we are going to do a double treble crochet. Again, these are all in the same stitch at the end of the row. Followed by a treble crochet. And then we're going to finish off with a double crochet. And then you will chain 4 and join with a slip stitch at the end. And there you have it, how to crochet a violet leaf. This is one of those projects that's very fun and easy. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.